Hello guys, Dr. Dean here. Today I'm going to discuss the most common type of headache. And especially in this COVID situation, when everybody is suffering from some kind of anxiety and stress, I've seen a dramatic increase in the tension type of headache. In this video, I will discuss the salient features of tension type of headache so anybody can easily understand what is a tension type of headache, and I hope it will help in the management of headaches. Number one feature is usually it is bilateral. When we ask the patient, they say whole head hurts or both sides of the head hurts. Number two, they describe it as a pressure or a tight band. And when we ask them, they say this whole head hurts. Number three, severity. Usually it is mild to moderate. Number four, duration. It is from minutes to hours. Number five, usually we do not see nausea or vomiting in tension type of headache. Very rarely we'll see light sensitivity or sound sensitivity. Usually we do not see any kind of auras. And sometimes when we palpate this area like this, we can see the points where we call it a tender point, and when we press those specific areas, patient complains that that area hurts. It is very common in tension type of headache. Then we divide tension type of headaches into two types. One is the acute versus the chronic. If this tension type of headache persists for more than 3 months, then we say this is a chronic type of tension type of headache. But if it's less than 3 months, then we say it's an acute type of tension type of headaches. And then we say if the patient has more than 12 episodes, then we say it's a frequent type of tension type of headaches. And if the patient has headaches less than 12 days in a month, then we say it's an infrequent type of tension type of headaches. Please feel free to ask any questions. Next video we will discuss about migraines and different types of migraines. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.